fasting beast. So people try to denounce the bishop or downplay the bishop when they don't get the result. And I see this happen a lot. A lot of people, they try to get the result, and when they don't get the result, they try to downplay it. They try to denounce that they didn't even try it at the first time. So and that's pathetic. You need to start doing it for you. You need to start doing it for your family. When you realize that it's not about you, this is not about you. It's about the people that you love. It's about your family. It's about your mom. It's about your dad. It's about your sister. Whoever you love in this life. When you do it for them, you become unstoppable, and then you start loving the process instead of the result itself. When you love the process instead of the result itself, you become unstoppable. So you need to realize it's not about you. It's about the family. It's about the people that you love, and they love you in this life. So it's not about you. I am the fasting beast.